What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we are back at Mclaren Charlotte. Feels like yesterday that we were here checking out the Mclaren Elva, but we got word that the new 765LT is actually here today, and they're open 10 to 4 for the public to go check out again. So huge shout out to Mclaren Charlotte. Can't wait to go check out this new supercar. This is pretty much a souped up 720S. It's a little bit longer. It's got about 45 more horsepower, much lighter, and I think it does 0 to 60 in like less than 3 seconds. So let's go check it out and see this beast. Also, just want to say that I'm shooting this on my phone today. I had no idea I was going to be coming here, and I didn't have my GoPro or my camera with me, so sorry if the quality's not there, but I think it'll be okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys inside. All right, walking up to Mclaren now. They got this sick blacked out Urus outside. Look how that's beautiful. 720S, 600LT. Really cool blue in this same package. I think it's nasty. Anyways, let's go inside. So, got the all carbon fiber Mclaren Senna. Just saw this in the last video, but holy cow, I cannot get enough of that. Here it is, the 765LT. Holy cow, this just happens to be my favorite color too. Gosh, that is extremely aggressive. Love the carbon all along the bottom there. Got the wing up. Let's check out the back. Now this is sick. The quad tip exhaust, you definitely don't get that on a regular 720S. Carbon diffuser. And man, I wish there was a 720 part right next to it so you can see the difference. Now this is super cool too. I did not know I was going to see this. This is the 620R Mclaren. Holy cow, look how aggressive that is. It's got the roof scoop on there, big rear wing, racing livery and the Richard Mille, carbon fiber everywhere. I've definitely never seen a 620R, so this is super cool. Got to get a little bit closer to this Senna this time. Look at all that carbon fiber. Oh my gosh. I was barely paying attention to this car last time at the Elva, but man, that's incredible. Also, something I just noticed about this 765 is I'm pretty sure it's got the Senna seats in there, so this is really track focused, extremely light race car right here. Wow. I just can't get over that orange. I think that is beautiful. I didn't really talk about this in the last video, but I love that little LED light they have above these cars. It gives the showroom just such a unique appearance. But holy cow, this is a goal lineup right here. 620R, 765LT, brand new, Mclaren Senna, and a new Mclaren GT. Not to mention back here, barely see, but tons of McLarens back there. Incredible. All right, guys, so currently leaving Mclaren Charlotte. That was awesome, an amazing experience to check out the 765LT. When I was walking out, I was taking a video of the couple of cars sitting out there, and A girl is about to sit on that car, so just a public service reminder, don't sit on cars that are not yours. So luckily she didn't, and the McLaren dealership guy came out and thanked me for that. All right, so once again, huge shout out to McLaren Charlotte for letting people come and check out those super unique, awesome, rare cars. During these crazy times, it's amazing that they're letting people come inside their dealership and still practicing social distancing, you know, wearing your mask, making sure you're still staying really safe while also being able to enjoy these cars these days is incredible. So if you haven't already, make sure you go follow McLaren Charlotte on Instagram and on YouTube. They started their YouTube channel a little while ago, and of course they've got some amazing content on there. So anyways, I really hope you guys did enjoy the 765LT content. I hope to see those out on the roads very, very soon. Like I said, it's just a track-focused version of the 720S. That's all I'm getting out of it, but it is incredible. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.